Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play CS2 on Faceit. Let's jump right in. There are two ways to get started. The first option is to open a web browser, go to faceit.com and either log into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Alternatively, you can download the Faceit app on your computer, then log into your account there. Once logged in, you should see a window similar to what I'm seeing right now. Next, click Play. Make sure to connect your CS2 Steam account to Faceit. You should see an option to connect. Select that, and you'll then have a window similar to what's shown here. From this point, you can invite friends to join you if you'd like. Once your friends are ready, just hit Play. If you're using the free version of Faceit, keep in mind that you won't be able to ban maps. They'll be played in the order they're set. However, you can upgrade your plan. You can compare different plans and choose one that suits your needs best. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.